Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hi Linky. I'm making Mississippi pot roast today. If you've not had it, you never heard of it, welcome. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to give me a like. It really helps my channel grow. And if you like recipes and family things and hauls and weight loss updates and reviews, then this is the place for you. Click subscribe, help me get up there, and let's get into today's video. So I am going to be making it in my Instapot. So I have my, well, crock pot. I have it set to saute, and I've put some avocado oil in here and it's heating up right now. I have this nice Black Angus chuck roast that I got from Aldi, and I have some pepperoncinis, and then I have a packet of the Hidden Valley Ranch. This is what I'm going to be using. Also going to be using a stick of butter. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and put it in there to saute on each side. I'm going to put some of this garlic and pepper seasoning that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this Fresh Jack's Campfire Smoky Sea Salt, and then I'm going to use some onion powder, which is almost done. I put a little bit too much avocado oil in, so just season this side before I flip it. I love Fresh Jack's, you guys. They're actually sending me a couple more seasonings to try out. I'm very excited because garlic, an herb, and a habanero lime. How good does that sound? You don't have to do this step. I like to do this because it gives the meat more like flavor, and I feel like it makes it more tender. I forgot to mention we're also going to be using some beef stock or broth, whichever you want. I don't know if I have any more. Hopefully I do have another base. Usually you want to do this 5 minutes on each side. And to make the gravy, this, and then if you have any xanthan gum, which I like to use in a lot of things, smoothies, shakes, gravies, anything, anytime you need to thicken something, like you can use this in breads, anything. This, and this is a great option. It's like no carbs, because, well, if you count total carbs, then it's 7 total carbs. Otherwise, this is all fiber. 7 grams of fiber, and I will be using that to thicken for the gravy, so I'm going to leave that out too. So now you want to take out your roast, set it aside. So I gotta find something to set this on. So this is our browned, look at that. Ooh, girl, look at that. I want to eat this right now. This is my browned roast. It smells so good, and look at how freaking good this looks. So now I'm going to do about 3/4 cup of beef stock. Just whatever was left in that. I'm going to add my jar of pepperoncinis. They don't want to come out. I'm going to add the ranch packet and the butter. Then turn off saute mode, put the meat back in. I'm gonna set this to pressure cook manual for 60 minutes. So meat. I pressure. Make sure that this is no seal. So I've made sure that this is set to no seal. I've turned it to the meat setting. It's on high pressure and I've set it for 60 minutes. It's gonna take a minute. It's gonna start pressurizing and I'm gonna let it sit. I'll be back soon. All right guys, and then this is what it looks like. I just put in a tiny bit of the xanthan gum to thicken it up. If you can see, there we go. Look at how it's just falling apart. Falling apart. Looking super delicious. Look at that. And it smells amazing.